Morning, everybody. It is 5:23 Sunday morning, 4/5, April the 5th. Me, Jared, and Nathan are going out to practice a little bit of social distance in Bayou, Cane, Louisiana, bluegill fishing in the kayak style. We will be 6 feet apart while we're in the bayou, I imagine, most of the time. And we're gonna have a great day. I just want to tell everybody to have a great day, be safe, and do the right things. And hopefully we will all come out of this coronavirus, COVID-19 thing, all for the better for it. And we'll be stronger as a nation, as a people. Y'all have a great day. It's Louisiana Hook and Shoot, all Louisiana, all the time. All right, y'all. Fixing to put them in the water. All right.
Dad, you want the keys?
I gotta move my truck.
I got no.
All right, folks, we already got one. I'll show it to you here in just a minute, but we're gonna ease down here and see where Jared and Nathan are.
Yeah, he bit on that salamander.
Show them what you got.
Right here.
Yes, indeed. That's what we do it for. A little bit of social distancing. Earthworm. I know a lot of people like plastics and all that, and I get it. I just like fishing with a micro and cork and a worm. Some people call it cheating. I call it eating. Another one here, folks. I don't think it's real big, but it's another one. Nah, little bitty red ear. Wasn't that big. But I'm gonna tell you what, if I was hungry. All right, folks, we got us one. Ain't real big. We got one. Ain't real big. But we got one. Inhaled it too. I hate it when they do that. I got a good one. Got another one, folks. Alright folks, I don't think it's very big, but I got one. Let's see what it is. It wasn't very big, just a little bit small lake runner. Red ear. Nate, you having fun?
Trying to get it in this little hole right here.
Well, you kind of lounged back like you're laying on the couch. Jared, you having fun, son? Alright, got us another one. I don't think it's real big either. It ain't. They a little deep today. I guess this could be that front come through last night. I guess a better fisherman would figured that out already. But we're just gonna see what we can do out here, have a little fun. Alright folks, we got us another one. Might be a little better than the last couple we got. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. A little bit better than what we've been catching. A little bit better. That's what we do it for. I love it. I really do. I love to catch these little brim like this. This one was kind of you just never know. The bite's real slow today. I mean real slow. It ain't doing a lot. I'm trying to catch, we got some catfish, and we're gonna fry them up here in just a little while. And we came out here this morning to try to catch a few of these brim. And usually on Cane Bayou we can get in them pretty good, but bite's been real slow. Y'all hang in there with us. Hopefully we'll catch 8 or 10 to add to them catfish. All right, folks, we got one fooling with it right here. Let's see if we can catch him. Oh yeah, we got him. Yeah, we got him. Yeah, not real big, but we got him. Nathan, would you like to describe today's bite?
What bite?
He said, what bite? I would describe it as very, very, very slow. And folks, I know you get beautiful scenery everywhere you go in this country, and that's what makes the great place that we live, the United States of America, so great. We have a diverse habitat. But I want you to look at something right here in the bayou of Louisiana. Look, this is why I love Louisiana. This is why I have chosen all Louisiana all the time. We don't want the easy path. We want to tell the stories of Louisiana. And I want to say that I thank you to everybody that follows and likes, and hopefully soon will be subscribing to our YouTube channel. But let me say thank you, because this is what I want to tell, the stories of Louisiana, hunting, fishing, cooking, frying fish, boiling crawfish. We just love it, and you can't get no better than what we're doing right here in a kayak. It's awesome. All right, everybody. Got another one. Let's see. They're not real big. Let's see. Maybe the last one of the day, but we got him. These little things is hungry. Rope.
Yeah, you need to be pulled out.
No, I just can't paddle fast.
Well, here, I got a rope. I'll pull you out.
Yeah. Let's go.
I got a rope. Come on.
Size catfish you get.
One like last time. Ain't but about that long.
It'll fry up.
They're looking at me like, you gonna keep it?
So, J-Rod, tell me about it. So we came, we didn't conquer, and we're going home defeated. There's a green machine. Had an awesome time. Y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll show you the catch in a little bit. Well, we are pulling out of Fontainebleau State Park kayak and boat launch, Cane Bayou, and headed home. We had a great time. Didn't catch as many as we wanted to. Bite was slow, but we caught a few, and we had a great time. We'll show you the catch and the after effects, which means the fry, in just a little while. Y'all hold on. The ingredients for a great fish fry right there, folks. Right there. I fry my fish with that right there. Zatarain seasoned fish fry. They do not sponsor this show, but I'm gonna tell you what, I use it. I love it.